Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up remote access in Tally Prime. This powerful feature allows you to manage your business finances from virtually anywhere in the world. You can record transactions, view reports, and ensure real-time updates, making it incredibly useful for businesses with multiple locations or remote teams. We will cover the simple steps to get you connected and working efficiently. Before diving into the setup, let's ensure you have a few key prerequisites in place. First, you will need a valid Tally.net subscription. Second, a stable internet connection with at least 3 megabits per second speed is recommended for a smooth experience. Third, Tally Prime should be installed on both your main and remote computers. Finally, each user needs a Tally.net ID with the correct access permissions. Now, let's activate remote access. On your primary system, open Tally Prime and press F11 for features. Under Online Access, set Enable Tally.net services for remote access and synchronization to Yes. Next, press Alt+K for the company menu and select Connect to link your company to Tally.net. Then, go to Users and Passwords to create Tally.net users, assign security levels, and set Allow Remote Access to Yes for each. Once activated, accessing your Tally Prime remotely is straightforward. On any computer with Tally Prime installed, even in educational mode, choose Login as Remote User. Enter your Tally.net ID and password, then select the company you wish to access. Tally Prime ensures security through encryption and role-based access controls. Your actual data always remains on your main computer, with only screen information transmitted securely, giving you complete control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.